Hi guys, it's time to design your career the right way. Let your work reflect your passion. So let's go and show your career who's the boss. Here are the top 5 mistakes you need to avoid in your resume and land into your dream jobs. So let's jump on to how you do that. First, don't miss out on formatting your resumes. As you know, first impression is the last impression. The recruiters don't have time to skim through all the resume in detail. Hence, you have to be crisp, short, structured, chronological work experience, and most importantly, one-pager. So now you tell me, which one will you choose? Always remember, your resume should be tailored to what they want to know, not the other way. Second, avoid plagiarism. I can't emphasize this enough, but dishonesty is a big red flag. Your resume is a reflection of your work, personality, and attitude. Recruiters are smart when it comes to judging a person based on their resumes. You may think the objective section can remain same for all, but no, it's a wrong assumption and can lead to getting rejected. Your honesty, confidence, and passion to work should be reflected in the resume. Keep your objective section simple and to the point so that you can justify it later in the interview. Third, proofreading is a must. We often tend to skip proofreading in a hurry, and this is one of the biggest mistakes one makes in the process of job preparation and selection. When you are in front of a recruiter, try to minimize your mistakes, check your resume thoroughly, and be prepared with answers. This will not only help you boost your efficiency, but also impress the person with the correctness of your resume. This will give you an edge over others. Hence, never forget to proofread. Fourth, it's time to quantify your experience with data. Yes, numbers do wonders. If you can add the profit percent, growth increase, sales, impressions, etc. of your previous experience, it will not only make it credible, but also reflect the value addition you can make to that current company. This enhances your chances of getting selected as it clearly reflects the value addition you will make to that specific company. Fifth and the last, add relevant details. One of the very important things to keep in mind is one needs to just put details that are needed for that job. Avoid adding too much personal information, older internships or projects that may not be relevant for this job. Keep the latest, impactful, and job-related work that will help you convert that specific job. These are the 5 common things to remember. Hope you follow the same and ace your interviews. For more such videos, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.